Open your book, page number 5.
Yes, sir.
Exercise number A. Take a pencil
Yes, sir.
and let us do the first exercise. The chapter we have already studied. Let us do the first exercise.
Yes.
Okay. Exercise A says, rewrite the words in proper order
Sir.
and make complete sentences. Put capital letters and full stop wherever required.
I have done.
You have done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us, how you have done? At home?
Yes, sir.
As your homework?
No, sir.
So, by your own?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So let us revise the thing now.
Okay, sir.
The first question says, it is raining heavily since morning. What you have to just correct the correct punctuation and write. I
Sir,
capital.
yes, sir.
It is
And
raining heavily since morning. After morning, full stop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
The sun seems to be coming out. The T capital.
Sir,
Sun seems to be coming out after out, put a full stop. Okay. Now, next. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6 is like this only. You can do it very easy. It is okay. Okay. For question 3 is, can you see the beautiful rainbow? After this, you have a question mark. So put a question mark after rainbow. Right?
Sir, C is capital letter. And sir, rainbow after
Yes.
full stop.
After rainbow, question mark. After rainbow,
Yes, sir.
question mark. It is a question sentence. Okay. Now, hooray!
Okay, sir.
What a pretty sight it is.
And sir, hooray के
Hooray, H
hooray के
capital.
आगे
And after
exclamatory
hooray, you will put
sentence.
exclamation mark. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What a pretty sight it is.
And sir,
Full stop after that. Okay.
yes.
Now,
H,
the birds
sir,
had
H is
disappeared when it
capital
began
letter.
to rain. The T
Sir, T
capital.
is capital letter.
And after rain, put a full
And to
stop.
begin, yes, sir.
Look, the birds have come out again. Now, after L capital, look,
And sir,
then
out again.
exclamation mark,
Full
the
stop.
birds have come
Full
out.
stop.
After out again, after again, you will put a what? Full stop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, done.
Yes, sir.
Now, exercise B is your homework. Okay. Exercise B is your
Sir,
homework.
B.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, exercise C. Identify the following sentences as assertive, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory sentences. Question number 1 says, you must wash your hands well before eating. Which sentence is this?
Sir, is imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence. Yes, write down imperative
He
sentence.
was.
Okay. It is a suggestion, right? You
Sir,
must
because
wash.
he was.
Okay. Write down imperative sentence. Okay.
Suggestion.
Done? IMPERATIVE, imperative sentence. Done? Kavya? Is it done?
So your video stop.
Is it done? Kavya?
Yes, sir.
Done? It is first is imperative sentence. Done? Now, question number 2. Okay? Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Question 2 says, can you tell me the way to the railway station?
So he can say a question.
It is an interrogative sentence. Which sentence?
Interrogative sentence.
Sentence. Write down. Interrogative sentence. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next. You ought to obey the rules.
Sir, is imperative sentence.
Very good. Very good. Imperative sentence. Okay. Written this much?
The, the,
This much you have written? Kavya, this
Yes,
much you have
sir.
written? Okay, now, fourth one. The girls came up with the idea of a picnic. Which sentence?
This is the girls came up. So assertive.
This is
Assertive sentence.
assertive sentence. Very good. Assertive sentence. Good. Now, done?
Yes, sir.
Now next. Hey, look where you are going. Which sentence is this?
There is exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentence. Good. Exclamatory sentence. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, oops, it is so cold out here.
Sir is exclamatory sentence.
Yes, exclamatory sentence.
क्योंकि sir exclamatory sentence.
Exclamatory sentence. Good.
Sentence.
Yes. Done?
You must learn. Yes, sir.
Learn to speak clearly and loudly. Which sentence is this?
Sir imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence. Good.
So I have written.
Imperative sentence. Now,
Open page.
open page 30 of your English book.
The imperative sentence because he suggestion. His
Suggestion.
order. So orders.
It is command, order.
Yes, sir.
Now, question 9. What are you doing here?
The interrogative sentence.
Good.
In the following passage comes sentence and you made it highlighted. Write to whether the sentence are assertive.
Kavya, have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us come to exercise D. Exercise D is very easy. The thing is, you have to, what is given here, a paragraph is given here, okay, and the word is, and the sentence is underlined, okay. You have to identify that is which kind of sentence, okay. This is also your homework. Am I clear? It is very easy. This is very easy.
Yes, sir.
You can do it at home. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is your homework.
Okay, sir.
So chapter 1 is complete.
Okay, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chapter 1 is complete.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Okay. Now,
Complete.
any problem in the chapter?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what is left? Chapter 1 we have done book work also and copy work also, right?
Yes, sir. So, but I have not complete copy work.
You do it at home, okay?
Okay, sir.
At home and send the PDF to me. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Second thing is, have you sent your English literature work in the Google Classroom app?
So, English literature?
Homework of chapter 1 and 2. Have you made a PDF and sent in Google Classroom app?
No, sir.
Why?
So, I have downloaded, but he is getting email.
No, you do just, I have shared you a link, right? I have shared you a link or not?
Yes, sir.
Just tap that link and
Yes, sir. You will share.
You tap that link, you will automatically join the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Just tap that link, you will automatically join the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other problem?
Okay, sir.
Any other problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So we have done chapter 1, chapter 2.
No, sir. I have not copied.
The explanation of chapter 2 we have done, right? What is the second chapter?
Yes, sir. Subject and predicate.
Predicate. We have already done that chapter.
Sir,
Yes or no?
subject and predicate.
Yes, explain.
Yes, sir.
We have already
Sir,
done.
subject. Sir, subject is the part of sentence which tell us what the sentence is about, is the subject, and predicate, the part of sentence which tell us something about, is the subject.
Very good.
Is about is the subject, and
Very
is
good.
the predicate.
Very, very good. Very good. Very good. So the chapter is very easy. It is not very tough. Okay, and you can do that chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Kavya, any problem? Okay. 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 So
So, sir, I will exercise A is my homework.
yes, yes. Exercise
So,
is
exercise A.
it is homework. Okay. Wait a minute.
So,
The new chapter will be starting tomorrow, and the exercise, do the exercise in homework, and we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm
Okay,
ending this class. We'll be meeting in the next lecture. Okay, Kavya. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.